أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم إني أسألك أن تصلي على محمد النبي الأمي عبدك ورسولك وخيرتك من خلقك وعلى آل محمد الطيبين الأخيار وأن ترحم محمدا وآل محمد وتبارك على محمد وآل محمد كما صليت وباركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Blessed climate smart greetings from President of Sam's TQLMA Club, engaged in making 8 billion Sam's Tesla 53 PGCs gold coin and 353 grams gold bars for economic re-engineering of planet Earth. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of 53 PGCs, $80, to initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction, and earn 5,300 PGCs to enroll in Global Executive MBA in climate smart business with traction, to acquire training from Dr. Paul Olivier and Mr. Elon Musk to build their home in their university campus, which Musk Foundation is building, in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines. So welcome aboard and initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart business with traction. So I would like to introduce you to Sheikh Qaid Johar Lakdawala, who resides in Bakersfield, California, and is representing Sam's TQLMA Club in California, and will be presenting the plan of transforming California into climate smart state. So the floor is yours, Sheikh Qaid Johar Bhai Sahab. Please introduce yourself and share the plans with everybody.
Yes, I am Kaya Johar Lakrawala from Bakersfield, California, and I would say that Bakersfield is the best known city in California, economical wise and business wise. It's really it's booming town right now, and it has a 30% growth worth yearly growth is that's what the statistics is. So I would like that people can just come move in to Mominin, anybody else or besides Mominin and they can get the good opportunity here, and by business wise everything, it's really a good town to live, and for your business, and it's really booming. Uh, Besides that, this is we can convert the California from climate change. So for today, this is all I can introduce myself. The Mufaddal Bhai Sahab Mufaddal Bhai has given me opportunity to introduce myself, and we can just we do it again. We do it, and we just do the prosper for this session. Thank you and have a good day.
Wonderful, Sheikh Qaid Johar Bhai, and I think our main objective is to transform employees into entrepreneurs. When people come to North America, they do all the hard work, they graduate, they acquire the higher education, and after acquiring the higher education, they don't try to get into business themselves. Instead, they are looking for a good job. So I know that probably 80% of the graduates and professionals from our community, as well as from general trend, is like this, that whoever acquires higher education, after getting the education they are looking for a job. And today's in the economic climate, most of the people are being laid off. So all the big companies are also lean engineering themselves and they are laying people off. So now what we are offering is this, to transform 7 million engineers, 2 billion mothers who live in the face of the earth today. I want to transform them into entrepreneurs. So when engineers are entrepreneurs, then, probably we can make America debt-free, and we can remove debts of all the countries. After making
Amazing.
America debt-free, we can,
Yes.
make all the countries debt-free. And once the country
Amazing.
becomes debt-free, then, all the 8 billion residents of our planet will be able to enjoy inflation-free, total quality life, in our Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla-powered Al Saadah Towers, which Musk Foundation is building in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines. And our objective now is that with the help of Sheikh Kajor Bhai, we will be transforming California, which is a beautiful state of United States of America, into the first economically vibrant, climate smart state of United States of America, and the world would see and duplicate this model, in all their countries. So I think thank you very much, Kai Jorbhai, for
Thank you.
introducing
Thank
yourself.
you, Mufaddal bhai, for
And
introducing me. And it's real. I'm sorry, I'm interrupting you, but this is
please
a
go ahead.
really it's a good opportunity for the people to just move into the U.S. and make America out of the depths. And the California, I think I would prefer that weather-wise, and besides that, everything. It's the best place to live in the U.S. and make your fortune here.
Wonderful. So I think besides Texas, we have 163 acres farm already available in Texas, and we are offering 2,000 square yards farmhouse along with the Tesla truck, $410,000. And we would like to duplicate the Texas model in California also.
Mufaddal bhai, I'm just taking a little bit of time. I was been going through my real estate thing, and I was been looking that I saw one land for 30 acres.
Okay.
30 acres is right about an half an hour drive, maybe about half an hour drive from Bakersfield.
Okay.
So they are asking for $330,000. It's real cheap. You
Wonderful.
can find.
Wonderful.
So
Wonderful.
yes,
I think what I would.
since we are in the real estate business, so it's a 30-acre land, right? It's
Wonderful.
right about maybe about 5 minutes access to the freeways, and it's really nice
Okay.
place. If we can work it out on that.
No, I'm giving you this authority as the director of Sam's TQLMA Club. You have authority to go and conclude the deal today. Go and conclude the deal. Negotiate the best price which you can negotiate with them. I would say
Okay.
make an offer of $253,000 US dollars, and
I
then
try my best.
negotiate and get it. But the land, let's acquire this land and let's build our first campus of California in that 30-acre site.
Actually, it is. I think zoning is about agriculture, so we can turn it on.
Fine.
We can turn the zone on it. So that's no big deal.
There's no issue. There's no issue because we are doing farming.
No issue.
Our activity is agriculture, and obviously in the farms we are making this farm school. So all the farmers and all the it will be a good model for the farmers. Actually, and it will be a good model for the global farmers, because global farmers are now on strike. They are not able to survive with the current economic condition. So this particular 30-acre model will become actually a model farm for everyone to come look at it. Maybe we'll have a climate smart conference also in that particular 30-acre site and show to the world what we have done.
And one more thing, Mufaddal bhai, since the Bakersfield, it's if you want to go to LA, it's about an hour and a half drive. It's not that that long. And you know that in America,
Yeah, I
it's
know.
1.5 hour drive to, if you want to go to LA, Los
Yeah,
Angeles, it's 1.5 hour drive. So
no
it's real
issues.
nice roads and everything. It's really access.
I know.
Now, if
I know.
you can. I'm sorry. Sorry because
I know. It's okay.
yeah.
So I think I would let you go to serve your guests and for the Miti Shatabi. And I
Yes,
think
yes.
we'll conclude this meeting with the dua that
Ameen.
may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give a very, very long life to Sayyid Ali
Yes.
Qadr
Ameen.
Mufaddal
Ameen.
Saifuddin, and
Ameen.
give us the strength to really transform America into a debt-free country, and then we
Ameen.
will duplicate the America model globally. So, shukran
I will try that
jazila,
land.
and
Let me go through with that land, the 130 acres that what we talk about, and let's see what it comes up though.
No, I'm giving you the good news. I mean, you negotiate, finalize the contract, and we acquire the land. So that's it. That today we have made a
Inshallah.
decision. You have the right to do it, and to negotiate the terms of payments, etc. And we acquire the land, and we'll immediately start building our Al Saadah towers over there. And move forward.
Inshallah.
Inshallah ta'ala. Okay.
परवरदिगार
Okay.
मौला दुआ से बदुखा दुआ में याद करजो
Okay.
दुआ में
Shukran jazila. Shukran jazila.
thank you
Fiaman Allah.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. So all, STEM graduates, all engineers interested in enjoying a total quality inflation-free life in USA should enroll in Global Executive MBA in Climate Smart Business with Traction program for $8,000, and all economically vibrant families can own the 2,000 square yards farmhouse with Tesla truck in Texas, and a home in California in Sam's Wheel of Life Farm School Al Saadah Towers, which we will be building in 30-acre site in close to Bakersfield, California. So, shukran jazila. Thank you very much. And pass on this message to everyone. Give this good news to everyone. And let us, make 2024 a peaceful, debt-free year for 8 billion residents of our planet. Shukran jazila. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.